Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another razor review. This one was requested to me by one of my viewers, Geo Kovacs. So it's been a while coming and I apologize it's taken me so long. But he requested that I do a review of HENSON Shaving AL13. So I saw one of these listed on the aftermarket BST and I bought this one from Randy Wright. I know that because I don't shave every day, I tend to look for a more aggressive razor. So this happens to be the AL13 Plus or the AL13 Medium. So, give you a quick show of this. Razor, 5-pack of blades, roughly about $100 give or take, depending on what site you go to. 3 3/4 inch handle. The medium has a 0.85 millimeter blade gap. They all talk about a 30 degree angle. Weight of 1.3 ounces. I'll put the gram weight here. Made of aircraft grade aluminum in Ontario, Canada. And as a fellow Canadian, I think that's fantastic. So, we're going to get this soaking in the barbicide. Today, we are going with, and I just did a very brief and incomplete review of this on my reviews from the Rig series, PAA Agua Dulce. I was suffering with a cold at the time, and it seems to mostly be gone, so I will give a, but I actually love the scent. On the opening, citrus and clove. Fantastic. The dry down, we'll talk about that in my summation. So we're going to get this done up. We are going with PAA Moonstriker Snickle Brush Hybrid. Love this, been using it a lot lately. So anyway, I'm going to soak the razor, get our lather made up, and then we're going to come right back. We are back. Got our HENSON AL13 medium. Didn't go with one of the blades they've included. I'm going with the Astra. So I have a hill of a lot of growth to go through, so this ought to be interesting. A good test. Fantastic lather made up. Again, as I said in my previous video, this has got to be one of my favorite summer scents so far. It's right up there with PAA Good Vibrations. So, multi-speed shave and then come back with a post. So, we are back. Couple of minor weepers that had a lot of growth to go through. Oh, I could probably do one more touch-up pass against the grain on my neck. But overall, that's a strong DFS. Super impressed with that. Super smooth, really fun to use, easy to find that angle. Again, got the Astra loaded in there with those lather slots. There was no issues with this plugging up with as much growth as I had. So let's take the alum to it and go from there. Now again, just a tiny bit of burn down here, which for me is pretty normal. And of course, up here with those couple of minor weepers, just a tiny little bit of burn. So let's take our aftershave to it. Again, this is a seasonal release that just came out from PAA Agua Dulce. It pays homage to Florida water. Oh, just a fantastic scent. Again, slight bit of burn, but that's expected. Now, something I did forget to mention in my video the other day, I was in a rush to get this out because I was loving this so much. The dry down, give this a few hours. Your citruses are going to dissipate and it's going to leave you with a nice, slightly sweet, spicy, woody, clovey note. It's just absolutely wonderful. So, like I said, currently probably one of my top favorite summer scents. Got the pit stick and solid cologne coming for this one. So, back to the Henson shaving aluminum AL13 medium. Really liking this razor. For 100 bucks Canadian, again, there's going to be a range depending on where you look for it. Also, in Canada, I've seen it listed on the home hardware website. Now, there's probably about 4 different home hardware stores within about a 15-minute drive of where I live. I have not gone into any of them to see if they have this in stock, but I have seen it listed online. So if you're Canadian or you're in Canada, you have home access to home hardware, I go in and check out one of these too. So I think it's really cool that you can find this at a Canadian hardware store. So that's awesome. So again, thank you to Geo Kovacs for your suggestion. Again, apologies it took so long, and thank you to Randy Wright for selling me this razor. Really enjoyed using it a lot. Mowed through a lot of growth. Like nothing, super smooth, really impressed. Even at the 1.3 ounce weight, I normally prefer heavier, but this is such a pleasure to use. So anyway, hope you found it enjoyable. Hope you found it useful. And yeah, we'll talk to you guys again real soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.